To get the yolks out, you just use a little spoon, and then you take your eggs and you line them all up in your little tray. First thing you do is you boil and peel your eggs, and then you cut them in half, and then you separate them. You get the yolks into one bowl, and then you put your eggs over here in the little tray. We got it all separated. This part's a little subjective. Some people like it a little more mustardy, and you may not like it that much, but we'll go ahead and tell you what we put in here. First, we put a big old scoop of mayonnaise. 2 big old scoops of mayonnaise, which is about 3/4 of a cup. This is the subjective part. You may not like as much mustard as us, but that's about 1/4 of a cup of mustard. You can put in a little more or a little less. And if you're wondering, we have 17 eggs. We did 18 and 1 broke. Got out our mixer, and we're just gonna mix it up. I can really smell the mustard. Yeah, that mustard sure does smell good. That mustard really makes a difference. This is the Hamilton Beach mixer, and we got the mixing blades on there, and we're using it to mix up our eggs and our mayonnaise and our mustard for our deviled eggs. Sure does smell good. You can also add horseradish or cayenne, whatever you like in there if you want to make it a little more spicy. Some people also like to add dill relish or sweet relish, give it a little bit of a pickly taste. All right, well, this is it for us. We like it kind of plain. We just have the mayonnaise and the mustard in here, but we will put some seasoned salt and paprika on top. You can do this next part as simple or as complicated as you want. We're just gonna take a bag, like a little sandwich bag, and then we're gonna cut the corner off. We're gonna scoop it up, and then we'll just make ourselves a little squirter. But you can buy these. You can buy different kinds that will do this for you. Little like pastry squishers and squirters and stuff, but this works pretty easy. Or you could just use a spoon. Just depends how nice you want it to look. This is basically a bag of egg yolks, mayonnaise, and mustard. Now we're just gonna cut a little corner off there for our squisher. And then you just squish it out. Then you get a nice little squishy squish for your deviled eggs. It's much faster than using a spoon. Could be pretty much done here if you want, but we like to put a little seasoned salt and a little paprika. We like kind of that red look, the red seasoning look on top. And it does make it a little saltier with the seasoned salt. We're gonna add a little bit of smoked paprika to the top, and that gives us the nice red specks there. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Those deviled eggs look amazing. And that's how you make deviled eggs. All right, now I'm gonna try one out. Those are some good deviled eggs right there.